Here, last year's champion, Nationals NE-EDT. We're getting out there and rubbing some tires.
I'm Chuck Creech. I run the pro class at the NE-EDT Nationals and Pro-Am. I'm first in points in pros, second in Pro-Am. You know, it's good red clay. You know, everybody does what they can to make it good for you. You know, the best track possible.
Pro class. In there! That's what I'm talking about. Victory celebrations, that's what's all fun right there. Good job.
So your first night in this car, you finished with the podium finish on your first night. Congratulations. How did you like the track, and how was the new buggy doing for you?
That's like my favorite track, and it was good.
Okay.